Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a data acquisition system. First, understand that a DAQ system converts physical signals into digital data. It typically comprises sensors, signal conditioning, an analog-to-digital converter, and a computer. These systems are crucial for monitoring various parameters like temperature, pressure, and voltage in many applications. We will cover the essential steps to effectively operate one, ensuring accurate and reliable data collection for your projects. To begin, connect your chosen sensors, such as a thermocouple or pressure transducer, to the appropriate input channels on your DAQ device. Ensure all connections are secure and properly grounded to prevent electrical noise, which can significantly affect data accuracy. Next, install the necessary drivers and software provided by the manufacturer. Always double-check every connection before powering on the system to avoid any potential damage or incorrect readings. Once hardware is set up, launch the DAQ software and select your connected device from the available options. Configure essential parameters like the input range, for example, 0 to 5 volts, and the sampling rate, perhaps 1,000 samples per second. Define any trigger conditions if needed. Then, initiate data acquisition and observe the real-time measurements. Finally, save your collected data in a suitable format, such as a CSV file, for later analysis. With your data acquired, the next step is analysis. Utilize the built-in software tools or external programs like MATLAB or Python for visualization and processing. Apply filters to remove noise and extract meaningful insights from your measurements. Compare your acquired data against expected values or system specifications to identify any anomalies. Conclude by generating clear reports and effectively sharing your findings with your team or stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.